This is one of the best investments I ever made on my pool equipment. I've had this pool ever since I had the house. Decades. I must have changed the motor for the pump at least 3 times. And why do I have to change the motor so much? The bearings get noisy in the pump. This last motor I bought, I saw they had a cover. I said, hey, I want a cover for that motor. That's what you see there. White on top, black on the side. I paid, I think, $30 for that motor cover. It fits right over the motor. You don't have to do anything. It snaps right on. This is the best investment I ever made in my pool equipment. My motor now does not have failing bearings where I have to take it in and either get a new motor or have the bearings replaced. I highly recommend getting a cover for your outdoor pool pump motor or well motor or whatever you have. Get a cover for it. It protects it against the sun and protects it against the rain, especially the rain rusting the bearings.